Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to use your round nose pliers to make a basic loop. And if you want to make the same size loops, what you can do is mark exactly where you are going to place your wire. To make a nice clean loop, you will need to cut your wire flush. To cut our wire flush, we are going to use the back of the flush cutter to do so. This is the front of the pliers and we're not going to use that part. We're going to use the back. The back gives a smooth flush cut. So you cut your wire with a finger over the front of the pliers to prevent the small piece from perhaps getting into your eyes. Then you place the wire between the barrels of the pliers, then rub a finger over it to make sure that you cannot feel the wire. Then twist your dominant hand away from you. Then release the pliers and adjust it to where it was before. Then twist again and you continue like that until a loop is formed. And your loop is going to look like a P shape. If you can feel or see that wire sticking out, then your loop is going to look like this, a teardrop. And as you can see, the loop on the left is a teardrop shape and that on the right is a P shape. And if you would like to center your loop, you place your thumb and index finger under it. Then use the chain nose pliers to slightly twist it towards you. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.